So today what we're going to do is we're going to scan a small section of rail over here and take some measurements off of it with the Leo, and then we'll go ahead and upload that data to the Artec Cloud. And the main purpose for doing this right now is to test out the cloud in conjunction with mobile devices like the iPad, and uploading that data through your iPad or through your phone, and really just trying to figure out how far we can take this without actually having to touch a laptop. So we'll go ahead and scan this real quick and get that data uploaded. So I'm scanning a section of rail where two different pieces of railway join together, and there's a little bit of a gap here, and we want to take a look at that gap, see what the height deviation is, and just try and learn some more things about this small section of railway. All right, so if you want to see the data that we've collected, we can see there's that section of rail there on the Leo. We got both sides of it, so we'll go ahead and upload this to the cloud now. All right, so right now I'm just going to connect to the hotspot on my phone, and we'll go ahead and get this uploaded. So go ahead and select this, upload, and upload to cloud. And now we'll sit here and wait. Here I'm just taking a picture with my iPad to get a few more pieces of reference material around the object itself. A couple of useful things about taking these pictures is we can use geotags for them, and we can quickly attach those images into the Artec Cloud project. So we went ahead and uploaded that scan file from the Leo to the Artec Cloud, and I've got it here on the iPad now. That whole process took about 20 minutes to upload using a 4G network, and we were looking at about 2.5 gigs worth of data. So that's just a good frame of reference. Now that we've got the file here on the Artec Cloud, so we can take a look at the information that we've collected here. We can also come in and attach our comments or attach images. One of the nice things about this is it does allow you to take a photo. So if we had already uploaded this to the cloud, then we could take photos directly from outside, or we could choose a photo from our photo library, which I'll go ahead and do that here. So we'll go ahead and let it upload. And now we can post that. If we wanted to add some more comments, we can, and we can see that image that was uploaded directly here to the cloud project. So now let's talk about, from a practical standpoint, how we're going to process this file out. So I'm going to go ahead and use autopilot. Go ahead and press start, and we'll go ahead and give some information about the part. So the geometry quality of this part was good. If we press this little question mark beside geometry quality, we can see what good geometry looks like and what bad geometry looks like. Well, this particular part had a lot of really good features, so we had plenty of geometry. We also had really good texture with the rust and the various gravel colors. The object size, I would say this is somewhere in between medium and large. So we'll go with large for right now. And then there weren't any real hard to scan surfaces on this part. We'll go ahead and we're going to skip editing just to leave all of the data that we collected in here. There's only one object, so we don't really need to worry about any alignment. And now the processing is taking place. So this will take approximately an hour or so. So once we're finished with the processing, we can make some more modifications to the part, take a look at it, and figure out where we want to take this project from there. So from scanning to uploading to processing this scan data to get an actual Fusion file, We haven't touched a laptop in this entire process, which is very interesting and unique to us here at Go Measure 3D. So here in the next couple of days, Art, who's behind the camera right now, and myself are going to play around with this data. And I'd like to see how far we can take working with information like this just on the iPad. And we're going to figure out some more useful functionality from this process.